In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a new Revit site model using the Cetopo plugin. This will ensure that all your files are geo-located correctly and ready to be linked to your project file correctly every time. To begin, open a new project in Revit. You can choose the default architectural template or a custom template based on your project requirements. Next, find your project site in Cetopo. Select the area that you plan to work with by selecting an area inside an existing project or create a new project. You can always edit your selected area and merge more data into your site model later. Open the Revit template and click on the cog icon to adjust the settings according to your needs. For further assistance, you can refer to our templates tutorial. Under the Grid tab, ensure you've chosen the appropriate coordinate system for your site location. Once your template is configured, save it as a 3D Revit site template, then hit download to retrieve the file. Make sure you select the correct coordinate system that matches your project site. Back in Revit, select the Cetopo plugin from the top ribbon to import your model. Navigate to your downloads, extract the zip folder, and select the CXF file format to import. When prompted to place the imported model, use the default options. Make sure the Configure Revit Project Location option is enabled. This will ensure your project's geographic coordinates, time zone, and elevation are set correctly using the geo-located data from Cetopo. Next, in the dialog box, select Use the project base point specified below option. This will set the site location. This means that the project base point and internal origin are properly positioned relative to your geo-located site. The project base point defines a reference for the building model, while the internal origin serves as the fixed center point for all coordinates within the model. Cetopo will position both nicely on a grid point, below and to the left, ensuring you will always be working in a positive quadrant. Here you can review the summary of the imported elements. Click Continue to finalize the import process. Your site model is now geo-located. The project base point and internal origin are accurately positioned on a grid point below and to the left of your modeling space. Your 2D site elements and grid lines will be visible in the Level 0 floor plan. You're now ready to link your site model to a project file and start planning and designing with full context. Save your project as your new Revit site file. And that's it. Your site model is now set to provide crucial context from the earliest stages of your design. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.